Good morning, people. You fine folks. It's time for some yoga, some stretching. Thank you so much for joining me. We have two lovebirds here. Take a minute and breathe. Let's set some intentions while we are about to do some yoga. We're going to find a yoga flow. I don't write things down. I just listen to my body and what it needs. And I think it's really important that even if I'm making a move, you don't have to make that move. You gotta make the move that works for you. Okay? So always listen to your body. Alright. Sit up tall. Lift your spine up off of each other. Find your mudra. Whichever one sparks you, because they all mean something different. And we're gonna take a deep breath. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Alright. Wiggle them toes. Start out stretching them out, waking them up, touching your toes. Can you touch your toes yet? Some days I can. Other days, not so much. I think it's been a few days since I've done yoga. Been working my hardest, so it's gonna take a minute to sink in. Ready? Drop your head and just breathe. We're gonna breathe about 13 breaths each pose. Yes. Alright. Now, take your cheeks out. Do it again. We start with the basics and we move forward, right? Wake up that spine. Remember? Sit up straight. Oh. Oh, pretty cuties. Oh, stop it. Go away. That's as far as I can go right now. We'll get back to that. Spread your legs nice and wide. I don't know if you can see over my cat. Let's do another twist. Heart. legs feel. Just want you to wake up your these muscles right here. Activate them. Just lift them up. Feel them as they move, right? You want these awake, alive, alert, enthusiastic. Alright. So I just filled up my water jug. 8 pounds here, guys. They say for every pound that you are, you need to drink an ounce of water. So we should all be drinking more than a gallon of water a day. Got that? And if you can lift 8 pounds, that's great, right? I think we're going to lay down first. Alright. So above me I have trees. Beautiful trees. Just going to rock our legs back and forth. Loosen up that lower back before we get started. And then pick up your tail. So you have like an inch, and just let it go out on either side. This is good for strengthening your SI joints. Your lower back and your belly. And you're going to clasp your hands under here and lift up for the full bridge. Now tuck your tailbone just like this, right? I want you to tap. Make sure you're tapping good. I already feel my SI joint popping back into place. With this exercise, you don't need to have your neck up, but it can still be very effective on your belly, especially those inside muscles. Just make sure you stay lifted up. Push out. Go back to the windshield wipers. Give yourself enough room so you can stretch your hip, right? And we're going to stack our knees, right? You can put your hands out like this. Try to put each hand on the ground. And look to the opposite side of your knees. Straighten your bottom leg. There we go. I'm grabbing onto my toe in case you can't see it. And even if you're tucked like this and you can push your way out, do it. Then you're gonna switch hands. Roll over on your back. Make sure you're on your back before you try this. Hold onto your foot. Hey. That's good stuff right there. Alright. Before we switch sides, let's do halfway. We're going to roll over to our other side. Stack our knees again. Straighten. Remember to roll up on your back, especially if you have back issues. We're going to grab our foot. And notice how different both sides are, right? Ready? How am I supposed to do that? Ready? Come here. Back up. While we're here, we're gonna try. Where are you, kitty? To flip up for a bridge. Because if you can, do it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake out your legs. It's starting to get warm here. Finally. How's everybody feeling? Take a second, center yourself, and breathe. Coffee. So, tuck your leg in just like that. Now we usually do this. A little bit of twisting, which is fantastic for the digestion. With all the twisting we do, guess what? We're gonna have some good poops. Okay, ready? Remember me? It's always interesting to see how different each side of our body is. Can I do this? Flip it. twist. Ooh. I just found 6 puffballs, mushrooms, hiding under the love sack. Guess what? They're mine. I get to puff. Alright, stack your knees just like this. As close together as you can. Ready? Switch. Okay, ready? Get nice and comfortable. Give yourself a little wiggle. Alright, fancy folks. My mind is drifting. Whew. I may or may not be back later. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful for you.